Here it has been, and I got this. Trending to for kids. Trending for kids. At andito kami sa Salaman. Lalabas ko naman kami. Trending. Okay, so tapunan ko dito is so that mga classmate ko at crushes nila mag-cancel naman at kung ilang percentage na nilang mag-comments. Ganyan. So let's read Juan Carlos. Ano ba yan? Juan Carlos. Okay, Mariano S is 1, O is 1, L is 1, R is 2, A is 4, C is 1, N is 3, W is 1, M is 1, E is 1, I is 1. So 2, 3, 7, 1, 3, 9, 5, 89, 89% silang nagpamahalan. Oh my gosh. Kaya comment nyo na ang inyong names. Bili na kayo ng ganito. Regalo lang sa mga mami namin. Alam ko magkano to. At ang dress ko, galing to sa Secret. May papakita ko sa inyo. Tinanggal ko na ang tattoo ko. May tattoo ko dito. So, next step naman is papakita ko isang cleaning. Kung alam nyo na ibig sabihin na ito. Dalawang meaning. Rock and roll. Tsaka, I love you. Okay. I love you all, guys. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog.